nimesema. Niko na kijana hapa Benson Milimo. Huyu kijana ni wakili, is the deputy director of the speaker's office. Amechukua notes zote, amechukua makaratasi mmenipa. I'm going to work on them. Some of the things you have said, I know. Others have heard them for the first time. But whatever the case, we must move together. Improve things that need to be improved. Shed away things that are not productive. And make every space we live a better place to live. Nimesikia mambo ya health. Nikikaa hapa tayari nimetumia Adan Duale message ya kwamba on Tuesday morning akuwe kwa ofisi yangu saa 2 asubuhi nimuongeleshe mambo ya matibabu ya walimu. We say in English, don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. If you see a snake in the roof of your house, you don't burn down the house. You find a way of getting rid of the snake. I'm sure with these members of parliament, and I'll invite them to join me when I talk to Duale, to present your views, because these are not just the views of the teachers of Bungoma. I was in Kuria last weekend, I had the same thing. I was in Narok, I had the same thing. I was in Dewa in Homa Bay, I had the same thing. So the aggregate of what we have had amounts to critical matter to address. We say, if it is promotions of teachers, wengine wamenipa tayari list hapa, and I'll go and work on it. I cannot guarantee that everybody can be promoted at the same time, and I'm sure you know this. Lakini tutasukuma wale tunaweza. Sini viongozi wenu mlichagua. Pengine wewe ndio uko kwa hiyo list amenipa. Kwenda kusukuma tuwasaidie. Na hiyo tutasaidiana.